Okay, so just a quick tutorial on the ring row. So first of all, we want to set a box at a height that will allow us bring our body parallel to the floor. That's going to allow us to have the most resistance when performing the row. The higher we bring the legs, the more difficult it becomes, and of course the inverse is true, and we can create a mechanical advantage by coming more upright to perform the row, and I'll show that in a minute when I'm doing the demonstration. So, we can see that this black box here is going to bring my legs higher than parallel. Hips are through and down. If I want to make it that little bit easier, I just step back to a lower box. And again, if I wanted to regress it even more, and I can keep going to the point where I'm literally, I'll turn this way, I'm literally just standing up, performing the row. Now the most important thing that we do when we perform this movement is we get our hand back to our rib. We want to get this high position here. We don't want to have a short range of motion and just stop here, because we want to be able to get right back here, because we want this position to transfer into arm drive when we're sprinting, and even extension as we go into extension through the ankle, knee and hip when we're jumping and so forth. So it's really important that we're pulling right back to our ribs when we perform the movement. So that's the